Procession ba?
Ayan, ladies and here, you may now make a wish and blow your candle.
Ayan, again, sabay-sabay naman po natin. Batiin ng isang malakas na happy birthday. Si Baby Zahir and Turi.
Happy birthday!
Ayan, so our celebration and birthdays, hindi mawawala yung message